Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about running boards on the Rivian R1S and R1T. It's not just running boards I want to talk to you about today, it's the Aero panel that goes underneath. So for a long time, we've led the market with our RMaxx running boards. It's a bolt-on product, super popular for the Rivian R1T and R1S. When you install that product, you have to remove a plastic panel, an Aero panel, that runs along the length of the rocker on a stock truck. We've always had a few options. You could remove the plastic panels, store them in your garage, put the running boards on and run like that, or you could drill holes through those plastic panels to allow the running board brackets to bolt to the truck. It was always up to the customer. But a lot of customers didn't want to take the panels off and didn't want to cut or drill those holes, so we came up with these new bolt-on aftermarket Aero panels. Now you can remove your factory plastic panels and bolt on our aftermarket Aero panels, which are made from aluminum, powder coated black, and those allow you to bolt on our running boards and retain that Aero panel on the bottom without cutting, drilling, or modifying anything. So if you went to turn in your lease down the road, you could simply remove the running boards, remove our new Aero panels, put your plastic panels back up, turn your truck in, no problem. Taking a look under here, you can see the Aero plate is what I'm talking about right here, and it's 3 pieces that bolt onto the truck. The important thing and the good news is you can still access the factory jack puck points. We have an access panel back here and an access cap up here, so when you go to Rivian service, rest assured, no problems. You can jack this thing up using the factory Rivian jack points. Put those caps back in there and you've got it nicely covered, and everything is covered like you get from the factory plastic panels. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Check out the product with the links below to see this new Aero panel only for RMaxx running boards from EV Sportline. And subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more Rivian upgrades and accessories coming your way.